What's the meaning of breaded? Breaded. Breaded.
Breaded. Breaded. The term breaded refers to the process of coating food items, typically meat or vegetables, with a layer of breadcrumbs before cooking them. The result of breading is a crispy and golden exterior that provides a delicious contrast to the tender and juicy interior of the food. This cooking technique is often used for dishes such as schnitzel, chicken nuggets, or onion rings, and it can be achieved through various methods, including shallow or deep frying, baking, or even air frying. Breaded foods are a popular choice in many cuisines and can be enjoyed as a snack, appetizer, or main course.